Dreaming of smooth, healthy hair that turns heads? Let's make it a reality. Hey, pretty girls. I know I've been away for a little while. Sorry for the silence. Life got a little busy, but I missed sharing tips and goodies with you all. But I'm back now, and I've got some amazing hair care tips and products you're going to love. Let's glow together. Tip number 1, hair fall and weak roots. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Regular oiling nourishes your roots and promotes growth. To strengthen hair roots and reduce hair fall, regular scalp massages with a nourishing oil are effective. Massaging improves blood circulation, stimulates follicles, and supplies nutrients directly to the roots. Using a natural oil with bringrage, herbs, and vitamins can significantly strengthen hair. For this, I suggest you Induleka Bringha hair oil. This is the best oil that I prefer for hair growth. This oil strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. Here are the things what not to do to reduce hair falls. Avoid frequent chemical treatments like harsh coloring or straightening. Don't scratch or rub your scalp aggressively. Number 2, dull and frizzy hair. If hair feels rough, dry, or frizzy even after washing, it may be lacking moisture and proper repair. Frizz occurs when the hair cuticle is damaged and the hair absorbs excess moisture from the environment, causing it to swell and appear unruly. Choosing the right shampoo is crucial. A repairing or anti-frizz shampoo can restore moisture, smooth the hair cuticle, and prevent breakage. Look for shampoos that are sulfate-free or formulated to repair damaged hair. L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Shampoo helps repair damaged hair and smooth the strands. Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo reduces hair fall and improves softness. But carefully avoid overwashing, which can strip natural oils. Don't use shampoos with strong sulfates or harsh chemicals frequently. Third, dry and lifeless hair. Hair can feel dry, brittle, and lifeless due to environmental exposure, heat styling, or lack of moisture. This can make it difficult to manage and prone to breakage. Deep conditioning treatments can restore moisture and improve hair elasticity. Apply a nourishing mask or conditioner after shampooing. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. This helps hair absorb nutrients and retain softness. You can use anti-hair fall hair care combo. Includes a mild shampoo, nourishing oil, and deep conditioning mask to restore moisture and improve hair texture. Avoid washing hair with very hot water. Don't skip conditioner, especially if hair is chemically treated or dry. Tip number 4, frizz and styling damage. Hair that frizzes easily and breaks during styling is often damaged by heat tools or harsh environmental conditions. Lack of protective products can leave hair weak and dull. Using a hair serum or light oil on damp or dry hair creates a protective layer. It tames frizz, adds shine, and reduces breakage during styling. Serums with argan oil or similar nutrients work best. Brillere Argan Oil for dry, frizzy hair helps control frizz, adds shine, and protects hair from environmental damage. Preventions: avoid excessive use of straighteners, curlers, or blow dryers. Don't brush hair roughly when wet. Number 5, weak hair and lack of natural shine. Hair may look dull and weak due to lack of nutrients or overuse of chemical products. Dull hair is often a result of damaged cuticles and lack of hydration. Herbal hair packs can help restore natural shine and strength. Apply once a week, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse. Natural ingredients strengthen the hair shaft and improve overall texture. Herbal Hair Pack Powder contains traditional herbs that nourish hair, improve shine, and strengthen strands naturally. What not to do. Don't rely solely on chemical treatments for shine. Avoid styling products with alcohol that can dry out hair. And the last, neglecting hair pampering. Over time, hair can become tired, weak, or damaged if regular nourishment is neglected. Lack of deep care can make hair dull and difficult to manage. A home hair spa or intensive treatment can restore softness and manageability. It nourishes hair deeply and strengthens strands, reducing breakage and dryness. O3 Plus Damage Remedy Hair Spa Kit. Complete kit for deep nourishment and salon-like results at home. Thing not to do are Don't ignore weekly care routines. Avoid exposing hair to excessive sun, dust, or pollution without protection. Bonus tips and lifestyle advice. For overall hair health, drink plenty of water to keep hair hydrated. Include protein-rich foods in your diet. Trim split ends regularly. Avoid excessive stress as it impacts hair health. These 6 tips provide detailed solutions for common hair problems. Try them consistently, and you can achieve smooth, healthy hair. Check the links in the description to explore these products. Hope this video helps you guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye-bye, pretties.